Today we will teach you how to make spam bots easily. Go to bot father and make your 10 bots and copy your token to save it. Even I have created my 10 bots and saved my all bots token, you can see. You need your API ID and API hash and elephant URL. Let's create an elephant database URL. If any problem you can contact me on Telegram. Create your account with temporary emails. You can search temp mail bot on Telegram. Even I have already an account, so I will do direct login in my account. Let's create a database. Even I have already a database URL, but I will show you how to make. You can see here I have already a database URL with name of spambot. You can create your database URL. Now click on repo link and scroll down. You will see deploy on Heroku button. Create your Heroku account with temporary email and add fake credit card. You will get fake credit card on my channel. You can see here I have already added my fake credit card. Now let's find out a Heroku API key. You can fill here any name and API key, API hash and bot tokens. After fill all values in options, click on deploy. If any problem, you can contact me on Telegram. Now watch video and start your bot on Heroku. If any problem, you can contact me on Telegram. After some times you will get this type of message, mean your bot successfully started. You can see here bot. In your all bots, change the group privacy, watch video. I have added my all bots in one group. Let's check it. In bot, you will get pawn spam and big spam and custom number spam edge. Thanks for watching. Bot is working with high speed.